Hi, I'm Ronald with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing the importance of knowing what type of RAID system you've got in your computer. This engineering company had come in and they had three 2 terabyte drives running on dynamic RAID or RAID 0. That means it took three individual drives and made them into one. So instead of seeing three 2 terabyte drives, you see one 6 terabyte drive. The disadvantage to that is that when one of the drives failed, everything is lost. We're in the process of running data recovery. It's been going on for about 2 days and we're only 30% of the way through. So if you're not sure how your computer's set up, one of the things you can do is go into your disk management and see if you're running dynamic. If you know your computer's got 3 or 2 hard drives but you only see one, that's a clear indication that you're running RAID. If you're not sure how that's going to impact your business, come on into Impress Computers before you lose your data, and we can actually get you correctly configured for the RAID system that's designed for your business. So whether you're running engineering, photographic, videography, anything like that that requires huge amounts of storage space, we can get you configured correctly. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.